Hello everyone and welcome to our celebration assembly for this week, the first week back for our brand new excellent first week back at school with so many achievements both inside the classes and from home as well to celebrate. Keep watching till the end of the video. Mr. Watson is going to reveal the winners of his recent art competition. And also Mr. Penfold has got a brand new club which he'd like to share the details of with you. Have a great weekend everyone.
I'm a having a ball. One mother hen sat on 3 little eggs, keeping them warm in her little egg nest. Then one day she fell asleep, and a little voice said in a whispered tweet, spring chicken. I'm yellow and small. My feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be sore. 'Cause I'm a real spring chicken and I'm having a ball. Chicken, I'm a chicken, I'm a having a ball. One mother hen sat on one little egg, keeping it warm in her little egg nest. Then one day she gave a sigh, and her little voice said, "Surprise, surprise! I'm a spring chicken. I'm yellow and small. My feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm. My legs are not long, so I'll never be tall. 'Cause I'm a real spring chicken and I'm having a ball. Spring chicken, I'm yellow and small. My feathers are fluffy and they're keeping me warm."
Did you know that 8 million pieces of plastic go into the ocean every day? Did you know only 9% of plastic had been recycled a year?
Did you know that 1 in 3 fish have plastic inside of them?
Did you know that one plastic bottle takes approximately 500 years to decompose?
By 2050, there could be more plastic than fish in the oceans. Yet the problems start long before plastic reaches our oceans, rivers and beaches, and so must the solutions. We must tackle this flood at the source. We must eliminate the plastic we don't need. We must innovate, so all the plastic we do need is designed to be safely reused, recycled or composted. And we must circulate everything we use, making sure the plastic we produce stays in the economy and never becomes waste or pollution.
Join our journey to make plastic waste and pollution a thing of the past.